Hi everyone, it's me again, Clem from clemtravlog. After roughly 5 hours of flight, we finally arrived at Taiwan. So we are at Taipei City, capital city of Taiwan. This is Taoyuan International Airport. It's very hot today. It's gonna be like 34 degrees. Now it's around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So now we're gonna go to Wanhua District, check in, and then gonna head to our first tour of the day. So we're gonna spend few days in Taiwan for the first time. Finally, it's a dream come true. Visiting Taiwan is one of the top country I want to visit in my bucket list. Yes! You know where are we?
Yeah! Taiwan!
This is the hotel we're staying. So we just done our check-in in this Taipei Fullerton hotel located on the Fuxing road. We got to live in level 9. Alright, this is our hotel room. So we have a double bed and a sofa here. And there's a window. Let's check it out. What can we see outside?
Hey, this can open. Let's see what is it. Nothing. I want that one. One thing. It's a Bible.
So there's the TV here. Surprise! Oh, free coffee and teas, complimentary. Oh, they have a canner as well. Small fridge.
Why is empty?
So there's a wardrobe. There's a safety box here. There's the main door that we came in just now, and then there's a sink here, and there's a handsome guy here. It's a air dryer, some towel, toilet seats, shower. So this is where we're going to stay for the rest of the week for 9 days and 8 nights. It also includes a free Wi-Fi for each room. So you guess how much we're going to pay for this room? We already pre-booked and prepaid. Everything is done. So it costs us 1,600 Aussie dollars for these 9 days. So finally, we done all the check-in, settled down a little bit, and now we're heading to XIMEN District. Just now when we get from the airport, we actually have to buy single ticket. It's not a big problem. The only problem is when it's busy, you have to queue up. So for our convenience, we bought this yo-yo card. This guy is a $100 deposit. It's not refundable, and then you can keep top up. As long as the public transport have this logo, then you can use this card to tap in, tap out. So now we are at this XIMEN District. Busy. So this is our first destination for today. The Red House of XIMEN District. It's a historical house. I met my senior when I was walking. Hello. Alright, I see you on Thursday. Okay, bye. 再见了. So this red house is actually heritage listed. Building built in 1908, built by the Japanese. So this red house building is actually located just next to the restaurant we are heading to. So this is the place we're gonna have dinner. Looks like it's busy, a lot of people. So they don't really have a dining table, just a little small bar at the back. So you just order here and then it's just a takeaway, and then you find a spot to eat. 谢谢.
Let's see. Whoa, so hot.
Whoa!
Fishball.
So this salted chicken. Very nice. These are actually one of the famous Taiwanese food. Beancurd, tofu. They fry the beancurd until like a bit crunchy on the surface, and then inside is not dry up. So good. Squid or calamari. Calamari is the bomb. It's the bomb. It actually tastes better than the chicken. It's not soggy, the batter is well deep fried, so it's crunchy and it's not too salty, so it's good for like finger food. So we finished our first round. We feel not that satisfied because first it's yummy but not enough. So now we are at one of the most famous shopping district in Taipei. This is really famous area in Taipei for shoppings. Look, everyone, today is Friday, so a lot of people actually come and eat. This is the culture of Asia. People like to come out and eat, like to shop, like to walk around, search for some entertainment, sometimes gather with the friends or family. Compared to Melbourne, Melbourne is a bit more less happening. Night market is famous here in Taiwan. Look, so much things to eat on both sides as well. Food store, food shop is everywhere in Taipei, so you don't have to worry. If you can't find a good place, just go to any shops. So currently we are at this called Ay-Chung in Ximending. It's one of the famous restaurants in Ximending in Taipei. No dining area, so there's only some chairs, some stove there. You can sit down and have your noodle here. Good.
So there's intestine in there?
A lot of flavor, a lot of umami. I like the sauce. The soup is actually very rich. So this shop has been here since 1975. Big bowl of noodle is $75 and the small bowl is $60. So we just ordered bubble tea from one of the most famous Taiwanese bubble tea shop, Xing Tang. Good. So nice. It's not that sweet. The tea taste is very strong. Milky. The bubble is creamy. It's not like chewy hard one that we used to get in Australia. Very good, very good. Oh, the claw machine. And they're so cute and tiny. we spent a few hours in this XIMEN district, have a lot of food, did some shopping, walked around, enjoying the atmosphere. The night is still young, but I'm not young anymore, I'm getting tired. There's too many fantastic food to consume, can't fit all in, too bad. So now we're going to go back and have a rest, prepare for tomorrow. It will be a long day. There's a lot of destinations we are going to visit tomorrow. Now we head back to the hotel. See you later. So now we are downstairs of the hotel. We decided to buy some stuff from 7-Eleven. So my friend actually recommended me to come to 7-Eleven in Taipei. So we bought some stuff just in case we get hungry at the night. Although in Taipei you actually don't have to worry you're hungry, meaning that there's a lot of food around. This is our first night here, we're still not familiar with the area. So we're trying to just get some preparation in case we get hungry. So we bought big bottle of water, Taiwan beer, a bag of snacks for Jensen, the apple juice, grape juice. Here will be $315. So we finished our first day. Flight from KLA to Taipei Taoyuan International Airport. The flight was delayed for almost an hour to depart and landed half an hour delay. So by the time we passed through the immigration, pick up our luggage, it took us roughly like 1 hour to get on the train to the Taipei station and then get on metro to come to Da'an. Anyway, one thing I have to say that I'm quite surprised with the attitude of people here. They are very friendly. There are a few times we actually lost, even a few times that before we try to ask for help, they automatically will come and approach us and show us how to get to the direction we want to. And then even the train station, we can see people approach us and tell us where to go even without we asking them. And a few times I saw a blind person in the train, and then when he gets off, the worker will automatically jump on the train and help him to the exit. So this is something that I'm very impressed with the people of Taiwan. The Taiwanese, they are very helpful and friendly. So this is my first impression. So yep, this is the end of this first day. We're gonna shower, take some good rest, and then get ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're gonna be fully loaded, fully scheduled, very tiring day because a lot of walking. Thank you for watching. I will see you on my next adventure, which is tomorrow. Visit Taipei 2023 day 2. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe my channel, and share it to everyone. Leave a comment if you have any feedback for me. So, trying this Taiwanese beer. Not bad.